Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting this now. Make sure your iPhone 15 Pro Max is updated and unlocked because some settings move between builds. Once updated, open Settings and authenticate with Face ID or your passcode so you can change system behavior. Next, go to Settings and find Face ID and passcode. That's where dynamic island interactions and system alerts are managed in recent builds. Doing this first avoids repetition later. Make sure battery isn't critically low. You want the phone responsive while toggling options. Now you'll change the specific behaviors that create the dynamic island effect. In Face ID and passcode, locate the section labeled for attention and dynamic island interactions. You'll toggle off live activities, system alert expansions, and incoming call animations one by one. If you don't see explicit labels, go to Settings Focus and check whether Focus or Control Center is overriding notifications. Turn off any dynamic island-related integrations. Once done, reboot the device to ensure the UI stops expanding into the notch area. Finish by rebooting and testing. Place a FaceTime or normal call and start a live activity to confirm the dynamic island no longer expands. If it still appears, reset only settings by going to General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset All Settings. This preserves data but clears configuration conflicts. If problems persist, make sure any focus mode or notification summary isn't re-enabling island behaviors. One key troubleshooting tip: disable Control Center customizations and retest, because third-party widgets can re-trigger dynamic island elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.